Today is April 2nd and we have another Guardians construction update here at Epcot. Today on the monorail with this excellent Floridian weather, I captured some more footage of Guardians. Today it looked like I caught the Magic Band station where it will be used as an individual Lightning Lane area once it does open. Besides that, active Imagineers are in sight as the deadline approaches, which is supposed to be this summer. So as construction continues, so will the hype for Cosmic Rewind. And Moana's Journey of Water is picking up the pace as there looks to be a lot of workers today on the floor as of April. No concrete release day for this except maybe confirming 2022. I will put the full monorail footage of Moana and Guardians at the end of this video. And then finally, we have Connection Cafe still under construction right where Electric Umbrella used to be. The menu also has been released and you could check it out online. It will include many options like General Tso salad, French bistro burger, and other options that are on the website. Also no concrete release date, but many people are speculating it will be this year. Anyways, that's all the news for Epcot. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button for more Florida Supreme content, and I hope you have a great day. And now, enjoy the monorail ride.